beloved Caloocan High School. To you our minds we give, to you our hearts we pledge. Fly though we may 100 skies, cross though we may 1,000 waters, walk though we may 1,000,000 roads. Still our minds as one will meet, still our hearts as one will beat. To Caloocan High School back we will be, thy ever loyal sons of thee, thy ever loyal sons of thee.